Hey guys, so today I'll be discussing common causes of abdominal pain in children depending upon the presenting site of pain. So we divide the whole of the abdomen into 9 quadrants by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, and we give names to each of the quadrants like right hypochondrium and left hypochondrium for upper right and left quadrants. Upper middle quadrant is epigastrium. Right lumbar and left lumbar for middle right and left quadrants, and umbilical region for the middle quadrant. Now right iliac and left iliac for the lower right and left quadrants, and suprapubic region for the middle quadrant. In this diagram, RH and LH are right and left hypochondrium, RL and LL are right and left lumbar, and RI and LI is right and left iliac region. Now, pain in a particular quadrant or region is due to the pathology of a particular organ which is present in that region. Like right hypochondrium has liver and gallbladder, so common diseases producing pain in this region are acute hepatitis, liver abscess, congestive hepatomegaly, biliary colic, pneumonia and subdiaphragmatic collection, because the lower lobe of the lungs is also present here. Now in the epigastrium, esophagus and stomach is present. So esophagitis, acute gastritis, acid peptic disease are commonly occurring diseases causing pain here. In left hypochondrium, spleen and pancreas is present. So splenic abscess or infarct, pancreatitis, any kind acute or chronic, and lower lobe pneumonia because the lower lobe of the left lung is also present here. In right lumbar region, kidney and ureter is present. So diseases causing pain here is ureteric colic, pyelonephritis, renal abscess, acute renal vein thrombosis. In left lumbar region also kidney and ureter is present. So same diseases except for that it is for left kidney. In the umbilical region, small bowel and large bowel is present. So diseases here would be small bowel colic caused by strictures, malrotation, tuberculosis, inflammatory bowel disease, intussusception, and for appendicitis in the earlier stages pain is here and then it is migrated to the right iliac region. Now coming to the right iliac region in which appendix is present, so acute appendicitis pain, pelvic inflammatory disease pain, and tuberculosis of the abdomen pain is caused here. In suprapubic region, bladder and rectum is present. So proctitis and cystitis pain. In left iliac region, colon is present. So pain of colitis, constipation and pelvic inflammatory disease pain is caused here. Okay, so this was all about abdominal pain causes. I hope this video of mine gave you some idea regarding the causes. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.